Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best snare drum with stand and sticks currently available for beginners and student drummers. The EASTROCK Snare Drum Set 14X5.5 inches in the striking tiger stripe finish. Right out of the box, the EASTROCK Snare Drum Set makes a strong impression. The tiger pattern finish isn't just eye-catching, it adds character to your drum setup. But this drum isn't just about looks. The shell is crafted from high-quality poplar wood, offering a warm and resonant tone that's perfect for pop and contemporary styles. Whether you're jamming solo or performing in a band setting, this snare delivers that crisp, sharp snap every drummer looks for. One of the standout features is the 10-lug design. Most beginner snare drums settle for 8, but EASTROCK has stepped it up. With 10 lugs, you get tighter, more even tension across the drumhead, which means better tuning stability and improved sound quality. The lugs integrate firmly with the shell, giving you durability and a punchy rimshot without any unwanted vibrations. The snare head itself is a coated material drumhead, providing great rebound and reducing overtone while preserving that authentic snare tone. Combined with the poplar shell, it offers a balance of depth and attack that's surprisingly professional for its price range. Now, let's talk about the hardware. This set includes a double-braced snare stand with anti-slip rubber feet and rubber-faced clamps. That's important. The rubber clamps prevent damage to your snare drum while keeping it locked securely in place during play. It's stable, adjustable, and folds down neatly to fit in the included padded gig bag. And yes, everything you need is included. You get the 14X5.5 snare drum, the adjustable stand, a pair of drumsticks, a drum key, 2 adjustable neck straps, and a padded gig bag that fits it all. It's designed with portability in mind. You can fold the stand and store everything in the gig bag, which is great if you're commuting to music lessons, school band practice, or a small gig. The snare also includes a built-in silencer, which is handy for practicing in smaller spaces or shared living areas. It reduces the overtones that can ring out after each strike, helping you focus on control without completely muting the drum's natural tone. Whether you're a total beginner just picking up your first pair of sticks or a more seasoned player looking for a solid, affordable snare for practice and gigs, the EASTROCK Snare Drum Set stands out. It's not just a drum, it's a complete package, tailored for convenience, sound quality, and beginner-friendly playability. So, if you're on the hunt for your first snare drum or a secondary kit for mobile use, this could be the ideal pick. Very accessible considering the full package and the sound quality you're getting. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth product critiques, right here on Product Critique. See you in the next video.